Hi, my name is Liz and I'm here with this week's Job Shop tip, the do's and don'ts at the job site when temping. I have 8 great tips to pass along. Number 1, do dress professionally. Ask your recruiter the dress for the client and we suggest to always dress a step above, and then you can make your decisions once you've been at the client for a while. Number 2, do be patient. As they say, be patient, good things take time. I know it is hard, but getting hired may take some time. Number 3, do come prepared. Make sure you understand the company, the job you are being asked to do. Make sure you know how to get to the client and make sure you do your research in advance. Number 4, do not complain. Keep in mind anything you say can get back to the hiring manager. Number 5, do not gossip. Those who gossip with you will gossip about you. It is never a good idea to talk ill of others. Number 6, do ask questions. Questions are great for any company, but write down your questions and ask the manager when they have time to go over your questions. Number 7, do engage. It is important to make the employer aware of who you are and that you get to know a few people within the company. Number 8, do stay positive. Choose to be positive. It feels good and everyone wants to hire a positive person and have positive people around them. Keep in mind your recruiter should be there for you, so reach out if you have any questions. The Job Shop works one-on-one with each candidate. Stay tuned for more tips from the Job Shop. And just remember, be so good they can't ignore you. Steve Martin.